Hey guys, what is going on? And welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And as always, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and slap that subscribe button right now. Please go ahead and do it. I know you're not doing it, so just go ahead and do it. Okay, cool. And as always, if you're a returning subscriber, go ahead and slap that like button at the end. Go ahead and make sure you share this with your friends. Keep them informed of the up-to-date weekly content that I'm doing. Anyways, so today guys, I'm here once again at the Touchless Car Wash. I am actually getting ready to go to a car meet tonight. There is one going on right now actually over on College Park, so I'm gonna head over there. Should see some of my friends there, maybe, maybe not, but whatever. If they go, they go. But I'm excited because I'm gonna go look at some pretty souped up cars and some pretty nice looking cars as well. So I hope it's gonna be good. So, well, I'll catch you guys there when we get there. I'm just waiting for my car to get cleaned. Alright guys, we made it out here. We are at Sonic over in College Park. And as you can see, I parked next to some of these beautiful Mustangs over here down the road. We got a red 2018 with black straps over here. And the ST Focus. Very nice. Oh man, if only I can get one of these.
Like he rolled down the window and looked over and it was like he just nodded at me. And I never should have did and I
We actually have a couple of GT 500s here. One of two. One right over there. This is a super clean S197. And another super clean S197. Looks like a 67 year, but this is just absolutely beautiful. A little side exhaust action right there. Gorgeous. And those rims, so clean. I love the deep dish. Some bullet style. Oh shit. God, this thing just looks like it's ready to race.
I got revenue in mind that's quiet.
I know my exhaust tips look uneven.
What do you have on yours?
Well, I was just looking at
So these are Corsa,
you have the
Corsa
Corsa
Sports. The Corsa Sports, not
Sports.
Extremes. Yeah, I decided to go with Sports because of HOA area. And if I did Extremes coupled with the long tubes I have, it's just godly.
Yours is catted too, right?
Mine's catted as well, yes.
Yeah, catted makes it different too. You take the cats off?
Oh no, the cats stay long.
Oh.
I'm debating about, because I got baffles in mine to quiet down.
Red, well, along with my calipers and all my ponies on my wheels.
Yeah.
It's wet, but then we're for pups.
Yeah, I kind of had to modify the bracket here. That's not the stock bracket that this came with.
Okay.
Like I actually found that like around in the garage and I just took it.
Okay.
That works.
Nice.
2018.
2018
God, that's such a. Is that the PMAS?
Yeah.
God, I think it's so massive. It's unbelievably massive. And this is only putting 420, 427.
426, but I'm still
426?
on Mac.
Okay.
So if you do the math, it's like 440.
Okay. Yeah.
It would be, it would be through a standard.
Well, my car's putting 460 in the crank, so you're up to 470.
I should be about 530 crank.
530.
But you're 18 man.
Yeah.
Which one's better? And they're actually VMP's doing a test between every intake manifold out there. And they're doing a side-by-side test. You know what I mean?
gosh. Damn. That is actually clean. That's super.
You know what power you're making it?
Not really. The guy that helped me build these has been building them for years. Guessing it's 415, but I haven't.
Crank or the wheel?
You rev it up, you how much total degree can I run up?
Beautiful car, man.
My buddy has one of these in black. That's pushing 1,500 wheels.
God damn.
Dude, it's insane. Is that strut bar? Is that stock?
Yep, the stock.
I
So
didn't
this
realize
is
it came with that.
the performance pack. So I mean it.
Okay, so
It comes with.
you have
yeah.
Brembos on this?
Yep. They're actually covered up, but.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, those are Brembos.
Nice. Yeah, dude, I love my Brembos. They're like
Dude.
the godsend.
Fucking awesome.
Street Speed's all about his courses.
Yep.
I love this ducktail too.
Yeah, I saw that 2 weekends ago.
Oh, that's new.
Yep, it was scary. I never really planned on drilling into my trunk lid, but I
Yeah,
had to.
you take your time on it. It's all good.
Oh, the diffusers?
Yeah, it's pretty sharp. I like how it closes everything up.
Nope. I mean, that helps a little bit with downforce, right, too?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's fully functional. Ferris they do like some crazy testing on theirs. They have all the data too that you can take a look at and
Yeah.
see like the differences, all the wind tunnel shit. Pretty cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, man, it definitely helps. Like, it's more for aesthetics though. You don't really feel it unless you're really getting into it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like this. Oh yeah, I want to take a look at these tires. These are fat boys.
Yeah, they are.
These are sick though. They look
mean,
great.
I was worried about that. Like, there's like hardly any clearance.
Yeah, bro, you and me both. Like, I'm like right there with you. That's tight though.
Yeah.
Probably, this is an FYI, it's probably not about anything that you'd want to do. Probably not about.
What's done to
I'm pretty sure he has.
So I have GT350 intake manifold on it.
Right.
47-pound injectors. Of course, JLT cold air intake. Stainless power long tubes with of course the sports cat back.
So stainless power, stainless works.
Stainless works, yeah.
It's coming from
And then of course the iLock sport lines. Yes.
Have you ever seen the light
Yeah.
right here?
Pedal light.
He's talking about going to CPS.
Don't go to CBS?
Go to Pro Dyno. It's up. It's like 2.5 hours away.
Pro Dyno? Okay, I'll look at it.
What are you tuning up? Are you email tuning right now?
Yeah, Bama's.
Do you have any other things about it?
Any other things? No, that's pretty much all I have, buddy. That's all the flashiness of this car.
Okay, cool. I like the interior.
Thank you.
Nice stuff.
Thank you. Thank you.
I even like the headlights.
Yeah, man.
I love them.
I got a.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome, man.
Have a great night.
Thank you too.
Cook's long tube ported stock intake, which actually is great.
Oh, really?
Alright guys, I know it's kind of hard to see me, but we are actually heading out because it's starting to rain a little bit and I don't want to get the camera wet But it was actually a really fun event. I met a lot of people, saw a lot of cars, really nice cars. So when I get home, we'll do the outro and I'll tell you a little bit more. All right.